Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain how to find particular integral of ordinary differential equation by inverse method. In the last two video I have explained how to find particular integral using variation of parameter and method of undetermined coefficient. This is a direct method for finding particular integral, or one can say this is the shortcut method to find particular integral. The advantage of this method is very less time consuming and simple calculation. So let us see what is the inverse method. Let we have second order differential equation d square plus ad plus b y equal to x. So this we can write f of d y equal to x. Then we can write y equal to 1 upon f d x. So this 1 by f d is called inverse operator of f d. So this is called inverse operator of fd. Means suppose d is the differential operator, so 1 by d is the inverse differential operator, that is the integral. So 1 by dx will be integral x dx. So 1 by d is the inverse operator of d. So when we have f of d y equal to x, so y equal to 1 by f of d x. So this is called particular integral of the differential equation. Particular integral of differential equation 1 by f dx. Now we'll see how to find out this particular integral. So we have various method for finding particular integral based on this non-homogeneous part x. So we have first two formula here, 1 upon d minus alpha x equal to, so this is a particular integral. So we can find out using integration e power alpha x integral x e power minus alpha x dx, and 1 upon d plus alpha x equal to e power minus alpha x integral x e power alpha x dx. Now let us see when x equal to e power ax, means the non-homogeneous part is exponential function. So how to find the particular integral? So we can have f of d y equal to some e power ax, this type of function. So your particular integral will be e power ax by f of d. So this we can solve d replaced by a. So we can have e power x by f of a, provided f of a not equal to 0. So this is the particular integral. So we can get answer immediately, provided f of a not equal to 0. Now if f of a equal to 0, so we have two cases. One case, so here a is the root of fd. So if root is order n, means f of d equal to d minus a power n, then the particular integral e power ax by d minus a power n equal to x power n by factorial n and e power x. And second, if root is order r, so the f of d can be written as d minus a power r f of phi of d, where phi of a not equal to 0. Then particular integral e power ax by d minus a power r phi d will be 1 upon phi a and e power ax by d minus a power r. So this we can find out using the formula. So we get 1 upon phi a and x power r by factorial r e power ax. So this is your particular integral. So directly we are getting the particular integral using formula. Let us see one example based on the exponential function. So this is the given equation. So we can have complementary function. So auxiliary equation will be m square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. So this is m plus 2 whole square equal to 0. So m equal to minus 2 minus 2. So we can write complementary function c1 plus x c2 e power minus 2x. Now let us try to find the particular integral using direct method. So e power 2x minus e power minus 2x by d plus 2 whole square. So here we can have two terms. So one term will be, so this is a particular integral. So e power 2x by d plus 2 whole square minus e power minus 2x by d plus 2 whole square. So the d replaced by a. So a equal to here 2. So 2 replace here. So 2 plus 2 4. 4 square 16. So first term is e power 2 by 2x by 16 minus here in the place of d you put minus 2, this will be 0. So we'll apply the d minus a power n formula. So we get x square by 2 and exponential minus 2x. So now your general solution will be y equal to CF plus PI. So CF is C1 plus XC2 e power minus 2x plus e power 2x 16 minus x square by 2 e power minus 2x. So this is the answer of the given question. Let us see when the non-homogeneous part is the trigonometric function, either sin x or cos x. So what we do, here we have sin ax by f of d square. So the particular integral will be d square replaced by minus a square. So we can have sin ax by f of minus a square, provided f of minus a square not equal to 0. Similarly, cos ax by f of d square. So the particular integral will get by replacing d square by minus a square. So this will be cos ax by f of minus a square, provided f of minus a square not equal to 0. So these are the particular integral. Now if f of minus a equal to 0, f of minus a square equal to 0, so it means the factor fd will be something like d square plus a square form. So we can have particular integral sin ax by d square plus a square equal to minus x by 2a cos ax, and similarly we can have cos ax by d square plus a square equal to x by 2a sin ax. So directly we can use this formula for finding the particular integral. Let us see one example based on the trigonometry function. So this is the given equation. So we'll write the complementary function c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x. So let us try to find the particular integral using this inverse method. So d square minus 3d plus 2. So this is particular integral. So the d square replaced by minus a square, a equal to 3 here, so minus 9. So we can get minus sine 3x by 3d plus 7. Now we multiply 3d minus 7 and divide 3d minus 7. So here we get 9d square minus 49. So this will be, if you solve, so first term will be differentiation of sine 3x. So this will be 9 cos 3x minus 7 ex, and d square replaced by minus 9. So we get 130. So minus minus cancel. So finally particular integral 9 cos 3x minus 7 cos 3x by 130. So we can write the answer y equal to complementary function, that is the c1 plus xc2. No, we have complementary function here, c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x plus particular integral we have 9 cos 3x minus 7 sin 3x divided by 130. So this is your answer of given problem. Let us see how to deal the non-homogeneous part. Non-homogeneous part is the polynomial. So here you use the binomial expression for finding particular integral. So here pi will be x square plus 2x plus 4 d square plus d. So here 1d we can take common. So we get x square 2x plus 4 by d plus 1. So we can have 1 by d and 1 plus d power minus 1 x square 2x plus 4. So we get 1 by d, and binomial expression we can have 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus dot dot dot. And since we have quadratic equation, so this will be over by d cube. So we are writing 2x plus 4. Now we multiply term by term. So first term will be as it is x square 2x plus 4. Second term is the differentiation of this term. So this will be 2x plus 2, and third term will be only 2, and fourth term will be 0. Differentiation only. So we can have 1 by d x square plus 4. So we can have 1 by d is the integration. So x cube by 3 plus 4x. So this is the particular integral. So it is very easy compared to method of undetermined coefficient and variation of parameter. Directly we are getting the answer. Let us see one more special case when your non-homogeneous part is product of exponential and any function of x. So here x is e power ax into v, where v is the again function of x. So the particular integral will be f of d. So this will be e power ax 1 upon f of d plus a v. So this is the particular integral. Let us see one example based on this special case. So this is the given problem. So the particular integral will be e power 3x x square by d square minus 2d plus 1. So we can have e power 3x x square by d minus 1 whole square. Now the d replaced by d plus 3. So we can get e power 3x x square by d plus 2 whole square. Now for binomial expression 1 plus x form, so the 2 we can take common, so we get e power 3x by 4 and x square by 1 plus d by 2 power 2. So now we can use the binomial expression, so e power 3x by 4 and 1 plus d power minus 2 and x square. So we can have e power 3x by 4 and 1 minus d by 2 plus 3 by 4 d square plus dot 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 x square. So now simplify, so we get e power 3x by 4. So first term is x square, second term is the x, and third term 3 by 4 into 2. So this is your particular integral using a binomial expression. Let us see how to solve this problem. So the particular integral will be 8x square e power 2x sine 2x by d minus 2 whole square. So this will be exponential term, we can take it out by replacing d by d plus 2. So we can have 8 e power 2x and this will be x square sine 2x by d square, because d replaced by d plus 2. So d plus 2 minus 2 plus equal to only d square. So we get 8 e power 2x and 1 by d square means 2 time integration of this function. So we'll integrate, so this will be if you integrate 2 times using the integration by parts, so we get the answer minus 1 by 4 x square sine 2x minus 1 by 2x cos 2x plus 3 by 8 sine 2x. So this is the particular integral of the given problem. So this is the shortcut method for finding the particular integral. We can apply this method without time consuming and very less calculation. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel so you can get the my upcoming videos. Thank you.